Top 3 fun facts about countries around the globe. Before we dive into it, I would also urge you to leave a comment below if you are got an intriguing or word facts about countries that you would love to share.
Number 1. Nauru. It is technically home to the most overweight people in the world. The small island in Oceania, officially known as the Republic of Nauru, statistically has the most overweight populace on the planet. Obesity affects for 97% of men and 93% of women in Nauru. Perhaps it has something to do with the fact that prior to being called the Republic of Nauru, it was called Pleasant Island. Not many people even know this country exists. It's a tiny island in Micronesia, a sub-region of Oceania. Nauru's closest neighbor, that is 300 kilometers away, is Banaba Island, which is part of another little known island called the Republic of Kiribati. Number 2. Canada's Yonge Street. Yonge Street starts in downtown Toronto and ends in Rainy River, a small town on the US border to Minnesota. Yonge Street held the Guinness approved record of longest street in the world up until 1999, when the title was suddenly dropped. Some believe that Yonge Street ends much closer to the start in Keswick, a community on Cooks Bay, north of Toronto. Number 3. The first Olympic medal of Ireland. The first time Ireland ever won an Olympic medal was in the category of painting. Yes, it's painting. The category doesn't exist anymore, of course, but while it did, Jack B. Yeats received a silver medal at the 1924 Paris Olympics for his painting titled The Liffey Swim. The painting is displayed at the National Gallery of Ireland in Dublin alongside other works he has created and several paintings done by his father, John Butler Yeats.
Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, it's me signing off.